What do these words have in common? That's right, we don't pronounce the B. Number 1, doubt. With this word, we don't pronounce the B, but we also don't fully pronounce the T sound at the end. So instead of saying doubt, we say doubt. Doubt. I have a doubt. Number 2, debt. This word is like doubt. We don't pronounce the B, and we also don't fully pronounce the T at the end. So instead of saying debt, it sounds more like debt. I'm in debt. Number 3, subtle. Subtle. So we don't pronounce the B sound, and we also, instead of saying subtle, we in American English say subtle. Subtle. So it's that tap on the top of our mouth. Subtle. Subtle. The sound is very subtle. Keep practicing on your own and leave me a comment if there are certain sounds or words that you are having trouble pronouncing that you would like some help with. All right, I'll see you next time.